Hey everybody, this is Janis from Corsair Detailing. Today I'm going to show you how to take care of ceramic coated car. A lot of you guys have ceramic coating on your cars and you don't really know what to do with it. So you paid a lot of money, potentially, to get that protection, and here's how you maintain it. In this video, you will see how we wash the cars and how we apply maintenance products on it. So here at Corsair Detailing, our favorite products, what we use as professional detailers, are by a company called SB3. SB3 has new product line right now out there, which is called Maintenance Kit. I think personally, their soap and their decontaminating spray is mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. He has proved, the product has proved itself in really tough moments, really difficult situations in my experience, and I highly recommend you, if you do have a ceramic coated car, you go to SB3 website and get the products from them. So the main thing is for your ceramic coating, what eats ceramic coating away, what destroys ceramic coating is friction. So every time you rub something against it, that's technically how it actually dissolves and goes off your car. So a lot of people think, yeah, what happens after 5 years of, let's say if you have a 5-year ceramic coating, what happens after 5 years? It's not flaky like a clear coat, start peeling off, falling off. What happens? It actually just burns off slowly, step by step. So with these specific steps, then I'm going to show you how to take care of ceramic coating. You will prolong your ceramic coating's life. It's going to be nice, it's going to be glossy, it's going to be hydrophobic, and this is how we're going to do it. Now I want to show you how I actually wash a ceramic coated car. We're going to wash this Porsche Panamera. A couple of things what you should have in your arsenal. One of them is a snow foam cannon. If you don't have a professional power washer, if you don't have access to one, which looks like the end looks like this, these cannons you can get from $20 to about $100. I have to say $20 ones are good enough. We use them in professional car detailing. So attach it, put approximately 1 to 10 with shampoo. We use an SB3 AFTERCARE shampoo. 1 to 10, we mix it up. If you do not have a professional grade power washer, there's some more simple ones, but they also have some attachments that you could use as a snow foam cannon. Not super necessary and essential, but definitely helps. And here's what you do. So first thing, what you got to do is you got to rinse the vehicle. So this will take all the leaves and all the heavy stuff away from the car. So we're rinsing the car thoroughly. This video am I gonna get a little bit fast forwarded because it takes time, and I don't know how much time you have sitting on your sofa and watching how I'm washing cars. So now, very satisfying moment, we're gonna snow foam the car. Next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna rinse the whole vehicle and the rims. So as you saw, we rinse the vehicle, we spray the snow foam on it, then we detail the rims, then we rinse the vehicle again. Now it's time to wash the vehicle. So this is gonna be actually the first part when we're gonna apply any type of friction on a vehicle. So if you have rinsed it, snow foamed it, and rinsed your vehicle correctly, there isn't that many dirt particles left on the vehicle. So here's what we do. We have our mitt, soapy mitt, and what we do is we apply very little pressure. We pretty much drag the sponge or the mitt across the paint. Just drag it, just to remove any last piece of dirt. Flip it around, just go over it. And now this is the moment we dunk it in a clean water. Squeeze it out. So most of the dirt what was left on the mitt is now in the clean bucket and probably covered in a gray guard. All right, everybody. So we have washed the car, rinsed the car. Now we got to dry the car. So this is going to be one of the first times when I actually going to apply any type of friction against the ceramic coating. But however, what I will tell you first, we should blow dry it. So guys, just the last bit, this is the SB3 maintenance spray. This is what you should use probably once a month after you wash it. And how to apply it, I'm just going to show you right now. So the vehicle has been washed and dried. All we got to do is turn it on, spray, stream, spray. Bump it up. We apply around that much on the car. So with one side of microfiber, we kind of rub it in like this. And we flip the microfiber towel and just buff it off, just like that. Flip the towel again. So for these applications of maintenance spray, I'd recommend you to always use a fresh towel. Make sure you peel all the labels off it and just lightly buff it in. Because if you don't peel the labels off, you're actually going to scratch the paint. There you go, guys. This is how you wash your ceramic coated car. This is how you take care of it. And this is how you prolong their life. Thanks everybody for watching. This is Corsair Detailing.